All right, so the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna do a lazy man lunge. Now, normally with a regular lunge, both the front leg and the back leg are both 90-degree angles, okay? But you're actually not gonna do this time. Lazy man lunge is a little different. Only just a bend in this front knee here. Back leg is pretty much totally straight. Now, the real key here is that you really wanna be focusing on putting pressure, keeping all your weight on this back leg. Feel like you're trying to dig your foot, the balls of your feet, into the floor while trying to bring your knee up. Obviously, you're not going to actually bring your knee up, but that should be what is engaged, are those muscles that would bring the knee up. And you just want to stay here. Again, push, 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 push here. And just give yourself a little bounce. 1, 2, 3. And if you can, bring that, again, whatever arm has the leg back, whichever side. So in this case, my right arm is also gonna go up here. You really just wanna stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really trying to bring that knee up into my chest here as I'm bouncing and just creating that constant resistance, okay? Also, if you feel like you're a little off balance as you're doing these lunges here, just stand a little wider. Just spread the legs a little bit. Wider stance, you're gonna feel rock solid, okay? Again, same thing, just trying to bring that knee into the chest there and just bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4. Super easy.